Hello everybody, hello garden friends. Today I want to speak about the Back to Eden gardening technique in comparison to other techniques that I used in the past, and I want to speak a little bit about my past, how I come to gardening and the different techniques that I used. Okay, in the beginning I began 17 years ago with gardening, and I had very poor results, and sometimes I forget to watering, and so I didn't have a harvest, and then I installed a watering drip line, a system, watering system. This is very expensive, and then I also had very poor results, and then I bought a guano fertilizer. This is basically a poo-poo from the birds, and I don't also had not much harvest, and then I start to read books about gardening, and the best fertilizer that you can mention is the compost, and so I learn different compost techniques. I don't want to go into this now, and then I come to very good alternatives in the gardening world, which are very beautiful pioneers that I very love and read much books about. Bill Mollison, the big permaculture design course. It was so exciting to read these books, and also read some books from Masanobu Fukuoka. This is a farmer in Japan who had very good results with other techniques. I can encourage you to read books from Masanobu Fukuoka. And also I read books from Sepp Holzer, which is in the same country as myself, and I was also very excited about his techniques, and also tried the 2014 and 2013 and 2014 started with these techniques and sow seeds, and but then we traveled to another home, and so I have to start completely new in the garden. And in this time I come to the Back to Eden gardening technique from Paul Gotchi, and I was completely excited about this, and I have to try this. And this year I tried one bed in this technique, and it works. It is very less labor, and so this is my favorite #1 technique for me. And next year I want to expand the system, and I want to have 30 quadratmeters in the Back to Eden gardening technique. And then I want documented also the harvest, and I never had a so good harvest in before. Okay, something else I want to say. Yes, and the Back to Eden gardening technique is not much work, and the other technique, the old techniques with digging is so labor intensive, and the weeding is so much, and also the watering. It is a big difference. So if you have any question, please let me know, and I would love to answer your question. And I wish you a good day, and see you next time.